Today's Monday, November 15th. This is the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado wiper controller. This unit is mounted in the upper left-hand corner of the upper dash, and the units are notorious for seizing in the corners because of the double action sliding compound switch. So the unit's been opened up and reworked, and I've got it connected to power. I'll do a functional validation test, and I'm testing it under power. Here's the washer actuation, and the light bulb goes on. Move it to low, off, high, off, medium, off, min, and off, and the washer again. So that's the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado double compound sliding wiper switch. The unit has been completely restored, and I'll be advancing this to my friend Lawrence, who'll be shipping it on to Japan. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorado from 1967 to 1978. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the power seat mechanisms, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, November 15th. Thank you very kindly.